Today we visited a reindeer farm and had some relaxed time in the sun.
See you again.
And I'm forever angry, but I don't know why. For a ride, I need somewhere to hide. I've been talking to God, I need someone to guide. Oh well, but I tried. A lot of shit on my mind. I've been thinking of time, cause I've been taking my time. Just trying to sit in the wine, trying to sip on some wine. Falling out of line, feeling like I'm running out of time. Every day the same, because I'm looking for a sign instead of chasing it. The good or the bad, I'm embracing it. If you make it better, yeah, then you gotta lay in it. Reality, I'm facing it. Success, I want a taste of it. My talent never wasted it. The top is where we taking it. However long it take for us, cause we ain't never giving up. Adoring it. Open the door and then you give it up. Let it simmer, dim the light and let it glimmer. Lord, I know I've been a sinner, but in all I'm still a winner. We've been working through the...
So here ends my trip to Sweden. I had a great time. You can see I'm all frozen, but it's very nice.
Mom's gotta spend time with the fam when you have time. And I just wanna thank God, cause he done a great job in molding me to be.
But before I show you how I got to Jokkmokk, I have to show you how I got back to Luleå, driving about 200 kilometers on a surreal landscape. I made a stop in an interesting place. We are making a small break in order to see a nature wonder. Minus 26 degrees. Stop a little bit here at Storforsens. So this is a small nature trail. Everywhere just snow and ice. After driving about 150 kilometers on an icy road, I kinda missed the turn to get to Storforsens, but I saw it from the road. A real intense misty cloud. And this is how I found it. I'm not sure if the water is warm or cold. It looks like it will be warm.